we are going to begin the boob tutorial. I'm making the generator for the boobs to move naturally like real boobs. So here we'll begin by creating a new cube, and then we subdivide the surface just like this and apply that, and we go to the edit mode. Okay, now press spacebar and search for the extrude edge. This one. Ta-da! And then we begin to scale. Oh my god. Wait. Wireframe. Begin to scale. Once, twice, thrice, and then one more, and then the last one is the one with 0 coordinate. If we cannot make the 0, just type it here. Okay, we're done, and then this is the object that we are going to use as the hand that fondles the boobs. Okay, so after this is the front, and then this is the back. From the back side, we choose the real boob area by the face. In edit mode, face, and okay, because the boobs is like this, so we better select mimicking the lower part of woman boob, and then what to do. And then I mark this as a vertex group, boob, hand on the boob. Okay, after this is done, and then we go to the move this a little. We go to the cloud modifier, and then we pin this to the hand on the boob. Okay, we're done on this part by making the hand that cradle the boob. You can know if you succeeded or not by pressing Alt A or this. What? What? So create, Alin. Okay, Roger. Create. Now, after you extrude, go to edit mode again, and then select all, remove doubles on this transform area, remove double. Okay, and then you are going to mark the faces for this mesh to hold on. Hold on. Click the sides. No. And the one, this, okay? Like that, and then you make it, save it into a vertex groups. Name it boobs handle. Okay, enter, and then you assign this. Don't forget. Okay, before we go to the object mode again, and then we try to apply this cloth simulation to the mesh. Pin this, and then this is the boob handle, the vertexes that we selected. That's it. And then to see if this work or not, again we play Alt A or press this. Whoa! So if we woo, oh, whoa, what the? Okay. That is how you can set up the bounce and everything later. Let's try this structural. What the hell? Overall stiffness of structure. Oh, do you want it to be stiff or not? I don't know. Okay. We try again. My dog is here. So that's it. This is the boob handle. You better save. Ta-da! Again, now we are moving to the second part of this tutorial. We have already the model to apply the boob handle that we created earlier. So you paste the boob generator here. There you go. Move it upwards. Okay, zoom in. Wait. Zoom in. And then try to capture the boob by adjusting this handle to cover all the area. We better do it in what here? In no. Edit mode. So okay. Like that. Let me wait. Let me aha. Okay. Make sure you cover the look like that. Okay. Now we move on by selecting this, and then you apply a modifier called the mesh deform. Okay. and then we choose the boob, and then like before we try again. Oh, no, we bind this first, bind, and then let's see what happens. Oh, so create, na noche, and you do exactly that to the other one, and then you're done. Don't mind the falling skirt, okay? Thank you.